Hello, good morning, Swarus. Welcome to your second year classes. So, successfully you are completed your first year. Already you know the paper pattern of IPE. IPE paper pattern consists of three sections in our chemistry. That is section A, section B, section C. Section A consists of 10 questions. Each question carries 2 marks without choice. And section B consists of 8 questions. There is a 2 questions are choices and each question carries 4 marks. And third section C, it consists of 3 questions. You must attempt the 2 questions. Each question carries 8 marks. So all these are according to the weightages of IPE and blueprint. So in second year also we have mass weightage according to chapter wise weightage. The first chapter is the solid state. In solid state lesson, the mass weightage in IP is 4 mass. Maybe ask the directly 4 mass question or 2 mass questions. And the second chapter is solutions. The weightage is 6 mass. From this, one 2 mass question compulsory and one 4 mass question compulsory. And the third chapter, so electrochemistry and chemical kinetics. From this chapter, compulsory one essay question and one 2 marks question, very short answer type question will ask in the IPA. And fourth one, surface chemistry. From surface chemistry also 4 marks question. And fifth one, the general principles of metallurgy. That is a 6 marks weightage, one 4 marks question and one 2 marks question. And the sixth chapter is P block elements. Already we know S block and P block elements. Already we studied in first year completely 2 groups of S block elements and 13th and 14th group of P block elements, which is continuous topic of 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th groups in this P block elements. So from this 12 marks means one essay question plus one 4 marks question, or sometimes in place of 4 marks question 2 marks question will be asked in the IPE. And the seventh chapter is D and F block elements and coordination compounds. From this chapter 4 marks question will be asked in IPA. And the eighth chapter is polymers. In polymer lesson the weightage is 4 marks and compulsory mostly 2 marks questions will ask in the IPA, otherwise one 4 marks question. And ninth chapter is biomolecules. From biomolecules also one 4 marks question. And 10th chapter, that is chemistry in everyday life. From this chapter also the weightage is 6 marks and one 4 mark question and one 2 marks question will ask. And the last one is organic chemistry. From organic chemistry we have again 3 subchapters: carbon and halogen compounds. That is haloalkenes, haloarenes is the one chapter. The weightage is 4 marks. Maybe ask 2 plus 2 or one 4 marks question. And 12th chapter is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen compounds. In this chapter the topics covered, that is alcohols, ethers, phenols, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. From this chapter 8 marks question will be asked in the IPE. And 13th chapter is carbon and nitrogen compounds. Under this chapter we have topics amines, maybe aliphatic or aromatic amines, preparation and properties, as well as nitrile compounds, CN, cyanide, and NC, isocyanide compounds. Their preparation and properties will the weightage for this chapter is 4 marks, maybe 2 plus 2 or directly 4 marks. It is almost all from blueprint of IPE. 90% will ask the same weightage. 10% maybe 2 marks questions or 4 marks deviated from one chapter to other chapter. Okay, you must follow this theory syllabus in your IP point of view. Continuation to this, and you have also practicals. Parallel to theory syllabus you have practical syllabus also. So practical marks are 30 marks from first year 15 as well as second year 15, but the total syllabus is covered in the second year. So in this first bit, that is salt analysis, for this bit you have weightage 10 mass. And the second one is titrations, maybe acid base titration, redox titrations, permanganometry titrations. So for this 8 mass, the weightage is 8 mass. And the third bit is again it consists of 4 subbits. Maybe ask A, B, C, D, any one of the bit will ask in the practical examination. The weightage is 6 mass. In this, first one is identification of organic compound functional group. So maybe aldehydes, maybe alcohols, maybe amines, like that. And B, preparation of colloidal solutions, lyophilic and lyophobic colloidal solution. Two types of colloidal solutions are there. And C with chromatography. So in chromatography, there are two types of chromatographies covered in our practicals. One is separation of pigments from flowers and leaves sampled, and the second one is separation of cadmium and lead ions. And D, same bit, in the qualitative test for carbohydrates and properties, or identification of carbohydrates and proteins by using various tests. And fourth one, viva. Viva also having the weightage 2 mass. And fifth one, record. If you write the very good record, you will get 2 mass. And project work, there are two projects will given to you. That is one is regarding first year topics, and the second one is second year topics. So total it is also